How to fix Vanguard Error 90 in League of Legends. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, our technical team is tackling one of the most stubborn issues currently plaguing League of Legends players, known as the Vanguard Error 90. During our extensive hardware and software diagnostics, we discovered that this error specifically targets system security protocols and boot configurations. Our investigation revealed that Vanguard will explicitly state that UEFI Secure Boot is disabled, preventing the anti-cheat engine from initializing. Interestingly, our test showed that this happens even when users have already enabled UEFI mode, activated TPM, and disabled CSM within their system settings. Teknobalta engineers have meticulously tested every potential failure point to bring you this definitive, step-by-step resolution. We will guide you through advanced BIOS configurations, cryptographic key management, and firmware recovery protocols. Before making any low-level changes, Teknobalta always recommends verifying your current operating system environment. You need to open the Windows search bar, type msinfo32, and launch the System Information utility. Inside the System Information window, scroll down to locate the Secure Boot state property. Our analysis confirms that systems experiencing error 90 will show this state as off, despite contrary BIOS settings. To correct this mismatch, you must reboot your computer and repeatedly press the designated key to enter your motherboard BIOS setup. Depending on your hardware manufacturer, this is typically the delete or F2 key. Once inside the BIOS environment, use your keyboard or mouse to navigate directly to the Security tab or Advanced Mode section. If your specific motherboard interface only displays password options initially, you may need to dig deeper into the advanced settings. Our testing showed that you must temporarily alter the Secure Boot operating system parameter to bypass the lockout. Locate the Secure Boot menu and change the setting from Windows UEFI to Other OS. After setting the parameter to Other OS, you must save your changes and proceed with the subsequent configuration steps. Do not attempt to boot fully into Windows yet, as the cryptographic keys need to be reset first. Navigate back into your BIOS Security tab and look for a dedicated subsection labeled Key Management. This specific area controls the platform keys that Riot Vanguard uses to verify system integrity. Inside the Key Management menu, you must select the option to restore factory keys. Teknobalta discovered that purging corrupted custom keys and forcing the motherboard to generate fresh factory signatures is crucial for resolving the Vanguard validation failure. During our diagnostics, applying the factory key restoration sometimes triggered a red Secure Boot violation screen stating that an invalid signature was detected. If you encounter this specific hardware warning, do not panic, as it is a known reaction to the key reset process. To resolve the invalid signature warning, our team referenced official manufacturer documentation regarding startup violations. We confirmed that updating the system BIOS to the absolute latest version is often the required fix for this hardware conflict. If a standard BIOS update does not clear the signature error, Teknobalta recommends preparing a dedicated recovery drive. You must take an empty USB flash drive and format it strictly to the FAT32 file system. You will need to locate or generate the specific securebootrecovery.EFI file. This critical firmware payload must be copied directly into the root directory of your newly formatted FAT32 USB drive. With the FAT32 USB drive inserted into a primary port, you must boot your system and follow the manufacturer steps accurately to execute the EFI file. Our engineers verified that this process forcefully repairs the corrupted Secure Boot policy. While you are finalizing the BIOS repairs, it is mandatory to double-check your other security modules. Teknobalta insists that you ensure TPM2.0 remains fully active and the Compatibility Support Module is completely disabled. After successfully applying the factory keys and running any necessary EFI recoveries, you must return to the Secure Boot menu. Now, change the operating system type from Other OS back to the standard Windows UEFI mode. Press F10 on your keyboard to save all of these critical modifications and safely exit the motherboard setup utility. Allow your machine to undergo a complete cold boot and load the Windows operating system normally. Once you are back on your desktop, launch the msinfo32 application one more time to verify the changes. The Secure Boot state should now definitively read as on, confirming the hardware fix was successful. Launch the Riot Vanguard application from your system tray to perform a final security validation. You will see that the previously failed UEFI Secure Boot requirement now displays a green checkmark, granting you full access to League of Legends. If Vanguard still reports that the requirements are not met, Teknobalta suggests revisiting the official manufacturer support pages for notebook or desktop-specific Secure Boot violations. Cross-referencing your exact motherboard model with their regional support site can uncover proprietary security locks. Our team has rigorously tested these steps, and they represent the most complete technical methodology for eliminating Error 90. By ensuring perfect synchronization between your motherboard cryptographic keys and the Windows environment, Vanguard will stabilize permanently. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.